All right, as we wrap up the trading week, let's take a look at some of the biggest stock movers. First up, a mega deal in the grocery space. Kroger reaching a deal to buy Albertsons for $24.6 billion. The combined company is going to employ more than 700,000 people across about 5,000 stores. Take a look at the movement that we saw. News yesterday that a deal was imminent sent shares of Albertsons above $28 per share, although it looks like it was a buy the rumor, sell the news type of deal. Also questions about whether or not this is going to be approved from regulators. I think that's a big driver in the stock price today. You see Albertsons closing the day off just around 8.5% on a 2-day basis. You're still looking at a gain of just around 2%. Kroger on an intraday basis closing the day off 7%. All right, let's take a look at Pepsi. Now, the company kicking off third quarter earnings season on a pretty upbeat note here on a 5-day chart. You can see that shares up just around 5%. The company beating on both the top and bottom lines, also raising its guidance, defying any fears of a slowdown, sending shares up about 4% on Wednesday. Taking a look at that 5-day chart, you can see the pop in shares shortly after Pepsi did report. Now, third quarter revenue jumping 9% from a year ago, while profit expanded more than 20%. Pepsi now sees full year revenue growth of 12%. The latest raise marked the third time that the company has actually upped its full year forecast this year. And again, that week to date performance here with shares closing up just over 5%. All right, let's round it out with Delta. Now the stock jumping a third quarter profit of $695 million as higher fares helped offset some of those rising jet fuel prices. Now the carrier offered upbeat fourth quarter guidance too, noting a resurgence in corporate travel and also signs of a strong holiday rush. A bullish note from Cowen sending shares up once again today. You can see the stock on a daily basis, at least closing up just around 2%. That 5-day gain there for Delta up nearly 6% and really setting the tone from what we could see from some of those larger carriers.